Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how I restored my Instagram account, more like I recovered it, because I've not been able to gain access to this Instagram account for like 2 years since 2024. And what I did was I had to use the normal Instagram account to check if I can actually log in. So this is my username. I'm trying to put my password and log in with the Instagram application, and then the password wasn't going through, so I had to try my email address, which is attached to that particular Instagram account. So now I'm trying to log in. Let's say the password you entered is incorrect, please try again. Right now I don't even know my password. Okay, so I think I'm going to try an alternative. So find your account. I'm going to just put in my email address and try to find it. If okay, there's a code that will be sent to this number. Let's try. That is from WhatsApp, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it back to where it's needed. Let's see if that will work. So choose a new email to log in and get notification. How? That doesn't make sense. I think I'm going to, now this was the trick I had to do. I had to go to Play Store. So what I'm going to do now is I've just uninstalled Instagram. I've uninstalled the application. I'm going to install it back. Okay, and I'm doing this such that I have a fresh start to what I've previously done, because I don't understand how I'm supposed to log in. It's asking me to replace the initial email address attached to my Instagram account, so that doesn't make sense. So that is why I'm uninstalling my Instagram account and getting to carry out the process again. So let's go. So let's try that again. I'm going to use my username and I'm just going to put a password because I'm not sure of what the password is, but then let's see what it will display. Enter your password to log in or create a new account. Okay, let's try something. See, you know, the password you entered is incorrect. Let's use that alternative yet again to see if it's going to ask us to replace our email address, which we don't. So find your account. I'm going to search. Let's see if we can find it. If we can find it, then we might be able to get through. So that's the phone number, and the code has been detected automatically. So let's try continue and see if it's going to repeat what it did previously. Oh yeah, this worked. Okay, so to fix this, that means we have to uninstall and install back the Instagram account and carry out this process again. So this is my account, the last one, which I want to recover, and here we go. Yet again, it's asking for a backup code. So we're going to use the same code that was previously sent before we uninstall the Instagram account. So I'm just going to copy it again, same code, no change. All right, and let me paste it here. Just type it in and let's try and see if it goes in this time. Continue. It's taking a little while. Continue. Yeah, as you can see guys, finish setting up your account. I've just recovered my account of 2 years. It's been 2 years I've not been able to access this account. As you can see, set up new device. This is since 2024 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check the last post I had. Let's see. So this is the profile. Well, it's been a while. You can see here, this was the last post I made on this account, March 23rd 2024. It's been 2 years I lost this particular account, and now it's back. So if you want to do same, just carry out the process I used in recovering mine, and good luck.